And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of his glory in Christ Jesus. Philippians chapter 4 verses 19. Hello family, today we'll be making this crispy plantain chips and it's absolutely the favorite of many. So please stay tuned and let's do this together. The ingredients are quite very simple. We have some plantains here and we have our oil to fry, and I'll be using some rosemary for some flavorful aroma. As you can see, the plantains are quite very green, and that is the best plantain you can use for your chips. But you can also see that I have one that is slightly ripe, and I will show you the results of that as well if you keep watching. Okay, so it's very important to wash off your plantain before peeling them, because you do not have to wash them or put it in water after peeling. You want your plantain to be very dry. So as you can see, I'm almost done peeling off all my plantains, and to achieve a very crispy plantain chips, you need to slice them into slight and very tiny shapes. That is the only way that you can achieve a very crispy one. And there's a lot of machines out there, but this is what I have and this is what I use. This is what I've always been using, my potato peeler. It works really well, especially if you do not have any form of chopper that is going to work fast for you. It works well and it's fast as well. The very first cut is going to look a bit thinner than the other, but do not worry, go ahead, as it's going to shape them into that proper form. So yes, you can absolutely use whatever that you have to slice your plantains. You have no excuse at all. So please continue to slice them until you are done with all your plantains. Have it family, we are all done cutting our green plantains, and I will show you how I prefer to shape my slightly ripe plantains. I like to shape them into circles, or let's just say in round form, and as usual it has to be very light and very thin. You can use your knife, or the best tool for this is going to be my grater. It is just the perfect, it goes so fast with it. It's 100% guarantee that you're going to get your plantain shaped into a very light rounded shapes. Okay, so please just have a look at that. Very light and very thin. So we are done chopping everything and slicing everything that we need. So let's go ahead and prepare oil for frying. So in my frying pan goes in my frying oil, and I'm going to infuse my fresh rosemaries in here. This is the tips that is going to let everyone ask, what did you put in your plantain chips? Yes, there's going to be that aroma of fresh rosemary that is going to leave everyone asking for more. This is so aromatic. It smells so great. Take them off after 2 minutes of frying them in, and the infusions here are great. I'll start them by adding my plantains. I'll drop them one after the other so that it does not get stuck together. Going to fry these babies for maximum 3 minutes and we will be so done. Remember, the plantains are very light, so you really have to be attentive, otherwise you're going to burn everything and it's going to be a total disaster for you. Okay, just look at that. So good. Now we are done with the first batch and they are looking so crispy and just so adorable. Just look at that. So enjoyable they are. So you go ahead and repeat until everything is fried. Once it comes out from the oil, please add a little bit of salt to taste, and that moment it absorbs the salt very well. And yes, it's add a little bit of taste to your plantain chips. Okay, so yes, we're done with our long stripes plantain chips, and now we're going to fry the circled ones, and these are the ones that are slightly ripe. You go ahead and do the same process. This will take you slightly 2 minutes for it to fry because it's quite light and you have to be extra careful. Okay, these are so crispy as well and so enjoyable, so good. There you have it, family. So easy to make and so enjoyable to have in the house. Kids go wild for this. Absolutely crunchy. Just look at that. Yes, thank you so very much, family, for watching, and I hope you try this and make the kids extra happy. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also do love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. And thank you so very much once again for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.